Hello, hello, can you hear me? Hello, 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 can you hear me? Oh, perfect, okay. Can you hear me pretty well. Hello, 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 can you hear me? Oh, perfect, okay. Can you hear me pretty well. Okay.
Of the return function is actually pretty easy if we have any sort of function
This
that we define.
I
Let's say
made a long time ago, 2 years ago. Yeah, safe to say, like, I did not. Man, if I kept, I did not know what I was talking about, or I do not know what I was talking about now. No, I still do. Actually, I still do, but like, don't know anything really about Python anymore. I used to know decently well about Python, but yeah, I stopped writing Python. God dang, I'm kind of glad I did. I don't really like Python, but it's really useful. It was not my style. It did not have a user interface that I could make. That was more like suited for JavaScript and Java and stuff like that, or C++.
let's say we have a function that we define, and we use just test function. We have a number here, and we want to do an operation.
What's time?
Or any sort of command.
Okay.
That function, once it's called, it just executes the commands. Let's say you execute 10 plus 10, and then you probably put that into a variable test.
It's a really nice programming language for the kids, though. It is so crazy simple and so intuitive. It just makes sense. There's no like awkward like bloat, like semicolons and initializing variables into some sort of data type and stuff like that. It's just clean. Blank equals blank. Variable equals 2, or variable equals string hello, something like that. I also created this video. That's me. I was really in the exact same shoes. I can relate to that. As a university student, I've been personally using 2 monitors for 4 years now, since I was 17. This was actually a class project I had to make. So trust me when I say that one decision changed pretty much everything in my digital life. It made me not want to come back to 2 monitors again from their benefits. There is a reason when people hear dual or triple monitors, they picture, alright, this is not really like a reaction stream, it's not really about watching these videos. This is about coding in Java script. I'm just joking. Imagine if I use JavaScript. I'm not like some sort of Facebook employee or something. God forbid. I would not work for that disgusting evil company ever in my life too. Okay, is my stream live right now? Go on, is it there? Ah, my God, what do you want? Leave me alone. Whatever, dude. Okay, that's not really safe to. Is that really safe? That's not safe to show. I don't think. Okay. Is that really safe? That's not safe to show. Okay. Pop out chat. Okay. I think everything is good for now. We'll continue writing. It's about 76%. Okay. So far, I think we're pretty much good. No fatal errors. Just run it. I don't want it to be a new line. Just put this here. No, it might break some stuff. No, it won't. What are you talking? What am I talking about? Alt F10. Control F10. Control F11. Control F10. Shift F10? Okay. Okay, let's say what's a price? Maybe like 16, 35. I'm gonna add it in dollars. That's really easy. I don't know why I didn't do that. Oh, this is not done. Yeah, it's not done. It's a keyword. Stop. Control 2. Okay. Total. Obviously, it has to be plus total, right? Yeah, I think you don't add any. And I think oh, you fill in. Okay. Yes. I'm gonna add it as to, and then is that thing? No, you don't. How do you add it? Plus a string. With a string. Okay, I don't get enough like good searches though. Oh, these are math modules. Or operation, I'm pretty sure. These equals? No, you don't. Okay. not gonna lie, dude, that's kind of useless. Final, what is it? Yeah, a declaration or data type as final. That sounds kind of useless. I mean, it seems like my data types are correct. Oh, here we go. How do you add it with a string? Here we go, yes. Oh yeah, nice. H, then you put the H. S. Dash S. Percent S is this. String of characters. Can't you just put the string there? Okay. So here we go. Here we go. It's more like a the format is like hello, and then you add a place where it would go. Can't you just put plus? Okay. I guess there's no pluses. Plus add something that's not a string. Plus. Total is correct. Okay, what is wrong? I don't get it. How do you put in a format along with a string? did that. I literally did that. Guess like this. What the hell's a literal? Okay, this should take too long. Okay, in Java, a literal is a synthetic representation of a boolean, numeric character, or string data, so data types. Numeric. Oh, wait, what? It is a medium of expression it's a medium of expressing particular values in this program, such as an integer variable named x. Here's a constant set. Here, 100 is a constant that's literal. So the problem is the number. That's a literal. Okay, dude, I need to keep like something on top. This is kind of annoying. Okay. Okay, so I guess use D. I said all of them. Okay, no. Like that. D. Cannot resolve method. Print line, string, double. Yeah. That's what I want to put in here. I give up. I'm gonna just look at the answer. What did you do? Percentage n. Percentage double. Oh, D. No, no, it's 0.1. So percentage 2, I guess. Percentage. Okay, so Control K. Usually now that's how you take out a line. So I guess percentage 0.1 F and percentage N. Then you just continue the string. Then you add the parameters of average. In my case, that's total. So if I'm correct, it's 0 percentage 0.1 F percentage N. Then it should work. Percentage 0.1 F, that's what I did, right? Oh, the lo-fi ended. I guess percentage F is the default version, 0.1 F. That's what I freaking wrote. Okay, I'm done. What do you do? Dollar. No, not dollar. Percentage. That's what I did put. Input. Use percentage. Maybe that does anything. So it has to be somewhere here. Katie is I think just a bit broken. That's good. Oops. Katie is just kind of loaded. So learning these shortcuts. Which line? System dot out. That is show, right? Okay, I give up. I'm very certain it's not it. Right here. Then after that. Oh, that's good, right? No. That's good. What do we want? And that's pretty cool. It gives you the utilities or the scanner class or the classes that the package has. Okay, so I don't get what's wrong with this one. F. This. Cannot be applied to a string. What are you talking about? There's no string. Oh, plus. Expression expected. 22. What expression? Wait. Yeah. Oh, do I put another? Screw this, I'm gonna just get around it and just learn it later. I have stuff to do right now. I don't know, I'll put it as a double. And I'll call the, I don't know, variable. I don't know, fuck it. Equals. Yeah, that's better. Data type. Final X, I don't want it to be registered and formatted integer. No. I said, what? Print out F. I am a freaking moron. Did I just forget F? Sound. Oh, whoops. Already done. Sound. It's print F, isn't it? I forgot the F. It's not new line, it's F. I am an idiot. I am a total idiot. I forgot the F. There was an F the whole time. Fucking a moron. Okay, now we should. Bro, I forgot the F. I forgot the format. Okay, what's the price? It's just 16 bucks. Wow. Okay, what's up? Okay, read the line. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Oh, that's correct. What's the problem? Price feature. Quantity is right here, and it's being read. Sorting quantity. Subtotal plus tax. Scanner, that's a problem. Here. That looks good to me. Wait. Something with my class. So I can't read quantity. So the quantity is a problem. Everything else looks fine. Yes. Six here. Oh, it's this. Holy hell, I don't know why it's so hard to just format. deleting it. F, dude. String. Boom. What are you doing? Object args. Yeah, that's an argument. Intelligent, what are you doing? Leave me alone. Legal format. String. Precision point 2. Oh, is that why? Oh, whoops. I guess that could happen in a scenario where I don't really care. I just want to fix this project. Troubleshooting time. Why don't they just say go figure it out? This is pointless. I can't read this. This is absolutely undecipherable. Just say go figure out what's wrong with it. That's the same exact thing. I have to figure out what's wrong with it myself. The percentage. Maybe F. Hey, no errors. Nice, it works. So it's percentage F. Percentage. How many you want to leave? F. Oh, finally it's over. Yes. I got the base done. That is not right. It can't be lower in price. That doesn't make any fucking sense. What did I do? What is a price? Okay, store is price pizza. And the quantity stored, that should be like 14. Oh yeah, I forgot. No. Oops. Fucking intelligent, leave me alone! What are you doing? Why did you press F there? Go away! I'm so tired of this. Dude, intelligence is so annoying. Okay, what is this? Autocorrect. Turn off. Yeah, it's so annoying, dude. I'm trying to edit my code here. It's incomplete. Preferences, transactions, actions not saved. You have to find blah blah blah. All right. Modified line. Remove trailing spaces. Isn't there like a place that just like don't ruin my code? Those who wanted to save before that. It's like someone it's like a professional sculptor coming in, seeing that I've sculpted like the general shape, and then like trying to add in like the eyes and stuff. Like, you're ruining it. I know what I'm doing. Settings, editor, code style, formatter. Alright. What just happened? Oh, oops. Yeah. Go away. What's the? Okay, it's off. Okay, so this is what you add. I'll say this is the tax total. Be this, then total. Total would be tax total plus subtotal. IntelliJ, you ruined it now. I can't like access it. Alright. Okay. Whatever. Okay, we're finally done. Nice, okay, so it's supposed to pass the quantity, store my quantity into quantity. Afterwards, put that into a subtotal, quantity times 7, multiply that together, take this variable, multiply the subtotal, multiply it together, you get the tax total, and tax total is tax total plus subtotal, and then you format this as a 2, rounding up or down. So I should get it now, but I don't want to mess up this, so I don't want a new line, so let's check. Okay. After so long, finally worked. Okay, so perfect or something, so yeah, this looks good to me, so next we'll create a new project. Check 2, and then no sample code, create this window. Yeah, sure, this window works. I thought it'd be put in here. External libraries. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's long. I guess it has literally everything you need to make Java code. I guess in the Linux kind of equivalent, it would be like dependencies and libraries. So next, write a new public static void main string arms. Okay, so yep, here we go. So the next project is a student information system. Build a program that collects and displays. So let's copy paste this. Okay, first we need to, okay, so it's saying to get, I don't even know what it's about. Get a student name, ID number, 3 test scores, calculate the average using an integer and double variable format, output in the report style. Okay, what do you mean a report? How is it supposed to look? So for the output, you're supposed to have the student name, ID, 3 scores, and the average. Gotcha. Okay, so so a few things we need to display. What was that again? Okay, this is kind of annoying. What was that? Student name, student ID, student name, student average. Display. Okay, so first we need to ask for several things, like a lot of things. So first, ew. I think pretty much I think we need to first initialize like a lot of we can initialize like some variables. No, we don't need to do that. Alright, first I think import. We have about 30 minutes. So import Java util dot okay, so first create the scanner class. Like it doesn't know what to do with it. It's a sit-in route. So to create the class, use the scanner utility. Create the class name that equals the class, or new, sorry, new, build the scanner, and then system.in. Boom. We created the class. So after that, we need to ask for some things. So we'll just do this all together. We'll see. B. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. The only thing I actually manipulate is this, the average. So we'll start with the harder stuff first, the average. So please write your student name. Chelsea. Chelsea. Write your student name. ID. Please write your first test score. Write your second test score. Your third. Your third test score. And then after that, we take that in, make sure it reads it. How do you? Oh yeah, you put that into a variable. We'll say it's an integer. No, I think it's a double. So yeah, double. I think it's a very long text, right? Yeah, I don't know. So double, kind of need a name. Name will probably be alright, so name of the variable will probably be I don't know. Yeah, I guess name equals n. You put it into it, and then next line. And then for time, we kind of want to move on. Seems pretty easy. And obviously, read it. So, double ID, double test 1, and test 2, then test 3. Now this is where we do some manipulation, I think, right? So I think we put in test AVG would be equal to int AVG double AVG be equal to test 1 plus test 2 plus test 3. And that will be all and then divided by 3. Then afterwards, I think if you I don't need it in a new line. If you print AVG, now what? Where is it? Shift F10. What is double anyways? Double double precision. 64-bit. So very, very long. So 5. Missing method. Which line? Right here. Missing method. Here, like this. It's highlighting main. Main is correct. Okay. Okay, that problem solved. Incompatible types. Oh, int. Yeah, I can't do operations. Int. Int. First, we'll see if that works. Wait, what? What is up? What is up? What's wrong? Oh, next. I'm an idiot. Next. Int. Yep, that's correct. Next. Dot. Int. Yeah, that's wrong. Next. Wait, what? No. Wait, what? I got it right. It was next int. Wait, no. Next int. Next int. This is integer 2. Integer. I pretty much edited all of them. Okay, what's up? 11:34. Line 11. Next line. Oh, I'm an idiot. String. Sorry, whoopsie. I'm kind of autistic. Okay, string, that's good. Alright, perfect. So it should show, right? Write your name, blah blah blah. And okay. So it showed the average. Why the fuck did it show it twice? And this is the average, but it showed it. No, it didn't show anything. What? I'm so confused. Okay, so that's correct. It is 7. I could move on. Test 3, test 2, blah blah. I'm gonna probably move on to the displays. System line to... Okay, so system line will be... South. South. So your... Okay, so... Information. Section. Your student. Your name is... I guess plus, you really only put for strings. Name. ID is... I think usually student ID is about like seven digits. Seven. F. Here. Average score is .2 F percent. Problem is, I need to put another percent, but it is not like that. I need to store it in the average. So it takes in the third test score and calculates the average. What the hell's wrong? This is double. It should be so much more. Line 13. Okay, so 7 digits. So... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trust. I don't know. Tyler. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Line 13. X double. Yeah, that's an actual thing. X double. Okay, X double. So, what's your name? Oh no, not Tyler. perfect. So, score, let's say it's a 30. Then I did a slightly better, 64. Then I did decently well, 88, sure. Okay. Okay, so formatting's a bit off. Oh, whoops. I meant 7. Percentage 7. And then I added a line. No. Percentage. No. Score 60. Fuck, I need to add a normal percentage. Percent. 10%. Oh, that works. That works. So, I don't know, Nick. Test score 1, 50%. Test score 2, 32, 3, 8. Your name's Nick. Still adds that. I want it to be percentage then, in that case. Oh, that worked too. So cut off after 7. 7 forward, boom, cut off. If it's 7 back, point, 7 back, off. Percentage is like how much you can go back. I think this is an integer. No. Yeah, ID is an integer, I think. ID. It's an integer. Control 2. Control Shift. Control 2. There's a slight error there. I think that's fine. Yeah. So just check. Yeah. Yeah, this can't work, I think. It's too long. Let's see. Max. Int. Length. Java. 32-bit. $2 million. Did I not write under 2 million? Definitely not. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I wrote 6 billion. I think I can. No, I can't get away with that. Yeah, no. You need to add any more, right? If there is an error. Yeah, you just did it wrong. You should not be having 6 billion as your 6 billion digits. Or not 6 billion digits, but I don't know, 6 billion. Should you? Wait. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No, that's like that's 10 digits. 6 billion. A billion is 10 digits. You should not be having 10 digits. No, you should not be having 10 digits. So Yeah, I just messed up. This code is pretty good. I don't know. Good. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so 80, 32, 28. Okay, so it's red 9. Did a perfect job formatting. Okay, like that. Is that good? Oh, whoops. Oh, so it thinks. Okay, so this brilliant solution of mine is not possible. You can't really format it forward. I don't know how to format it forward. So I'll just put it in normally. Like that. Close string. And then I'll write tidy. Is that good? No. I know how to format it backwards. I don't know how to format it forwards. I'll add in like another line here. So I'll add a new line. Oh, okay. Let's put it like this. No, it doesn't know what the hell I'm talking about. Okay, we have 1 minute left, which should be perfectly reasonable. Oh, finally. 36. We got 36 minutes. Okay, we can move on to the next project. Project 2. This window. So I can make a. Okay, next one. Starting the timer now. Oh, I need to name my class. Put in main. Doesn't really matter. What's the problem? Did I forget the semicolon? Oh, main is already a built-in method in Java, so I think that's fine. So, we kind of just see our next project. Alright, let's see. This is our next one. Time clock calculator, create a work hours scheduler, create a work hours calendar. Sorry for the loud noise. I kind of just tumbled it over. Alright, so what's this? Input total seconds worked, convert hours, and then your pay. Calculate pay based on hourly rate. Display format and pay information. I think I did this already. Again, import java.util. Dot scanner. And we can build our scanner here. Well, if I ran out, so let's probably try to check that. So beautiful fluff going on. Okay. I don't know how I forgot how modules work. Modulus works. Oh yeah, I forgot that. I know what it does. I think it divides it. That's correct. So what modulus operation operator does? Like let's say 40 percentage 3 equals the remainder of 45 3. So basic terms, I think it's basically how much do you have left until 40, right? So it's like 40, 30. Okay, 40 divided 4. That's the margin operator is 0, right? 0. 40 divided 4 is equal to 0. No, modulus operator. The remainder of 40 of 4 is 0. And if I am correct. Okay, this is confusing. Alright, there we go. So it makes all a comment. How do I make it a comment? Shift, control shift, dash, control shift, dash. Okay. Can't make it all a comment. Just this. Oh, shift. Count. If I do 40, 50, finish operation 5. Now what do I get? Shift return. 0. Nice. So in that case, happens 3. That would be, I think like a really big number, like 40 something. If I am correct, so let's check that. 40 something. 2. Oh, until getting to 50, that's 2. I don't know how I would. Percentage. I just wanted 2 decimal places, so it'd be 0.00. Illegal start of expression. Maybe if I put in, I don't know, int. Double x equals 50. Modulus operator 3. X. Alright. Okay, in that case, I think I do know what modulus operator is. So it takes a remainder, but I don't know how I would use that to make. Okay, shit. I'm taking a bit of time. So. What do you want me to take in? Convert hours. You want me to input total seconds worked? Who the fuck knows the total seconds? What? What are you doing? Okay, you're actually asking for the total amount of seconds worked. Who knows that? Alright. So far, I kind of forgot what modulus operator really does. I know you could use that as a way to check if a number's even or odd. So, okay. First, let's ask the questions it needs. So, let's try to ask. What is the total hours worked? I'm not asking for this. So I have to ask for a second, so that's what it says. Okay, so after that, I have to let it read the input as what should I use it? Double, I guess. Integer seconds worked seconds will equal. It'll be an input method, input class. The method will be a next line. Then after that, it'll take that in as worked seconds. Then worked seconds will be operated on. It'll be worked on and set as worked hours. So it'll be how many hours? I need to set. I need to use modulus operator. I know if I divide it. So use the modulus operator. Using modulus operator to converting to minutes in general modulus operator. So what you did was, you need to use both modules and division. So seconds, t time. What? Total time is about 6 hours, I guess seconds. So seconds. What the fuck? What kind of time is this? Seconds. Seconds, percentage, and then... I am so confused. What? Okay, so what you did was public static. Isn't that mean? I guess, I don't know. This is your class. This is your Java class. Solution divide the total seconds by 1600. Fucking hell, I knew what this was, I just forgot. Forgot why they did this. I knew it. I knew why they did this. What? Okay, so let's say... Is there something that says total seconds? No. So... I'm giving it myself. Oh, here we go. You put that returned. There we go. Return string. Return to string. What you talking about? Oh. String format. Okay, so if I'm understanding this correctly, what you did was you took the total seconds. Let's say maybe that's 600 or something. You divide it by to get the minutes. Oh no. Percentage. Oh! Wait, I have it right here. I think I remember it's a long one. It took me so long to understand it. Ah! Let's go. Alright. Okay, so I need to get from hours to total seconds. I can just do... I can't understand what this means, so... whoops. Okay, there we go. I get to total hours from the seconds it gives me. Worked seconds. So I just do worked seconds. Yeah, I understand it now. So 300 is 3600. 3600. You divide it by 3600 and then see how much you have left. It's like a rocket ship going up and up and up and up. Like 3600 is hour 1, then 7200 is hour 2, then it's like it got up to, let's say it's 6,000, right? Let's say it's 6,000. Let's say maybe, yeah, the total. Okay, any sort of software. Okay, create a work, sure. Okay. So I kind of understand it right here. Check it out. I understand it like this. So if I'm correct, right here. Okay. Is it working? No. Brush. What's going on here? Is it working? Okay, good. Okay, so anyway, how I see it is like this. 3600 is equal to 1 hour. This is the amount of seconds. So to get from seconds to hours, to use this module operation right here. So you take the total seconds, right? By like a big number. So yeah, and afterwards, total seconds. Okay, this is not very clear. The total seconds is a big number. This is our goal. So that's how I see it. It's a pretty big number, so okay, I kind of erase this part. Okay, I'm gonna just save time here. Okay, so what you want to do is, it's like imagine like a rocket ship, right? It's right here. This is I don't know. Let's say this is 0, and this part right here in the sky is maybe like 7 minutes, right? Okay, that's a bad example. Maybe like a, I don't know, like a, can't put it in 3 hours. Okay, maybe like 6,000. Okay, so this part is, if we can get to 6,000 seconds, we have to kind of start from each sort of second right here. This is 1. This is 1. So it like resets. It will reset. This is called, yeah, the remainder. So after it flies off, let's say to right here, this is let's say this is like 2,300. It's still in hour 1, 2,300 seconds. That's still hour 1. So we take let's say 2,300, and if we divide by 3,600, we get 0 point something. That means it's not over this. It's not over that. And so, let's say for the case of 6,000, we go all the way to 6,000. So right now it has not reached, or no, such. Let's say, for example, it's 7,800. You know what? 6,000 is fine. Right here, the rocket, it's flying off. This is the trajectory it reached. This is 3,600. And right here, just reached right here. So from 3,600 all the way to 6,000. How much is that? Let's say okay, so 3,600 minus 6,000. Okay, so 2,400. So this is, there is 2,400 spaces. How much how much left over is this amount, right? And so if we divide this amount by 60, we should get the total hours. Divide this by 60, we should get the total hours. Total hours. Because this whole thing. Wait, no. Wait. Okay. Dude, it's been a while. I forgot kind of how to do this. This is correct though. At least that part, but this part doesn't make any sense. If you divide this quantity, okay, we're a bit over. You divide this quantity. Oh, that's interesting. Divide this quantity by 60. This means, what does this mean actually? This is right here. Boom. That's a modulus operator of 3,600. You can't read that. 3,600. This whole thing, let's say this is 7,200. You have to do 36. This is useful for getting the supply, the extra supply that's left over. It does not tell me this. Oh yeah, this tells me. what tells me that is 6k divided by 60, 3600. That's what tells me. The hours. And what this tells me is the minutes. Okay, so that's not total hours, that is total minutes. That's worth a shot. Let's try that. Let's say total worked hours. Put that in. Then the operation that you use is this. Total worked operation would be 3600, and then you get the remainder, which is 60. Sure. Okay. 936. Oh. Line 46. What are you talking about? Oh, line 11. What do you mean? Isn't that it? I need to go back to the book, dude. Okay, I give up. What do I do? Dude, I figured it out. I just can't understand. Am I just... This is correct. But I don't think it should be correct. I think so, right? First, let's just check our boxes quickly. So, if we ask for an input, that is, did we create a scanner? Yeah, let it be. We'll just create a quick test script, so let's quickly comment.
Yeah, come on.
Okay, so. X, and then after that, you write the operation. You have the number stored in X. So answer. X. Dude, what is it? Oh, whoops. So if I put in like oh, whoops, it just started. Okay, so I got the minutes. Problem is that it still goes under. Right? It should be under 60, right? Oh, whoops, that's a double. That should be double. It's too long. Maybe 7,000? 56. We're getting there. 8,000. 13. Shit, really? Oh right, that's perfect because it stops at 3600. And then if you divide 3600 by 60, by 3600 by 60, at 60. So once it stops at 60, it reduces back to. Oh, that's clever. It's clever. Okay. So yeah, let's close this. Do we need this still? Nope. It's not. Isn't it streaming? nice, and this is raw. So let's watch us go to 60. Oh, so this is saying, hey, dude, stop at 60, and then keep going. And this is saying, always stop at 60. And this, the minutes are saying, hey, stop at, the equivalent of 1 hour. Yeah, the equivalent of 1 hour. Or let's just say, for example, hey, stop at 1 hour. In your seconds. But don't keep going. And then divide that by 60. So you did all of that separately. seconds is like total hours. Yeah, just like how many 366 or 600 are there in 72 something 7. And after that, for minutes it would be like how many remainders of 3600? Like I want you to go all the way up to 3600 and then stop there and then take that, divide that by 60, because if you get 3600, that's 60 divided by 60 is 1. Technically that should be 0, but you can't get a 0 from the division. No, wait, you can't. The modulo operator for 3600 is a 3600, which is 1 hour. You put 3600 seconds and then 3600 seconds division. Or the remainder of that, and then you divide that by 60, you get 0, right? That's 0. Modulo operator of 3600 is 0. 0 divided by 60 is 0. That's 0 minutes. And next is total seconds. Using this variable here. I can't use the other one. Can't use any of these variables. The total seconds are going to be a very gigantic number, like 6,000 or something. So what if I do say 1,000 divided by 60? Will it be not under 60? So in that case, I have to use our modulo operator again. Okay, so 60. Well, that's perfect, because it's just like saying keep going up to 60, reset, keep going up to 60, boom, reset, back to 0, keep going up to 60, reset, boom, 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 boom. Okay, well, yeah, that looks good. Okay, so if I'm understanding this right, let's say you have the total seconds. You asked the user for the total seconds. After that, the next line would have been read by the program, and then after that, to convert that into actual decimal time, what you would do is you take that variable to get hours. Okay, sorry, I'm just trying to remember. To get hours, it's basically saying, hey, 3600, that is 1 hour. That's 1. 7200, another 3600, that's 2. Just divided by 3600. Divided by 1 hour, basically. To get minutes, you take the total and then say, hey, at 3600, which is 1 hour, don't go any further. Keep going up. You still have a really big number, right? A really big number. But it's saying at 1 hour, go back to 0. So now you have the total. You have the total minutes and seconds right now. Then after that, it's basically saying, hey, at 3600. Okay, so I'm gonna restart this again. Sorry, it's a bit confusing. I'm just trying to understand it. Okay, so you're being given a really big number. Let's say like 7,000 or something like that. The total seconds. The total seconds. A really big number. To convert that into minutes. To convert that into hours, the large number, you do the equivalent of seconds in hours and then divide. Just saying how much 3600s are there in what you gave. So, yeah, that's going to be rounded down to 1. All of these are going to be, there's no decimals for all of these. Can I just, is there a way to not put any decimals? I don't know. Yeah, that's what this guy did. He said 0 point, or not, no points. 0, 2. Okay. Okay, so what this is saying is basically how many 3600s are there in what you gave. For hours, how many 3600s are there in the seconds you gave. For the minutes, hey, at the 1 hour mark, go back to 1, restart again. So now you have just hours, just in that hours bracket. Then you'll have a very big number. Divide that by 60. Because this divided by 60, it's basically saying the modulus operator for 60. But you can't do that for a really high number that you gave. It's basically saying, hey, take the parts that are in the 3600 and stop there. Don't go any further. Don't go any further than 3600, which is 1 hour. Always reset back, and then divide that by 60 to give me the minutes. Which is minutes and seconds. 60 seconds. So divide that by 60 seconds. So 3600 seconds. Stop at 3600, just 1 hour, and then go back to 0. And then divide those seconds by 60 to get the minutes. Then to get the seconds by total seconds, you'd have to say, just do the same thing. Go to 60, then restart back. Go to 60, restart back. Go to 60, restart back. It does not keep track of any. It's really, really, really stupid. It doesn't keep track of any kind of anything after that. Anything after 60, it just ignores it. So that's what I think it would mean by modulus operator. Then after that, you're done. You have that. So now you can work with it. You can work with the variables. Okay, let's see if I can remember it. Okay, so we need second, so integer second total. That will be put as a inputted line. Next int. And then we'll be asking that sent. So how long did you work? So we have our base structure. Let's say they gave us so they gave total seconds, so we need to convert them and work with them. So after so it's saying to calculate the pay based on hourly rate and display the format and pay information. What does that mean, pay information? What kind of information? Okay, so how much I worked and hourly rate. Okay, so let's try section 1, which it will be calculation. So 5 times. The total. No, I just say stop at 60. Minutes. Okay, so we say stop at 1 hour. Total seconds, we'll say stop at 3600. Stop at 1 hour, and then after that, divide those seconds by 60. So just output. Not yet though. We need to first manipulate hours. So the integer, let me say pay. Will equal times 30 times, I don't know, maybe 15 hours, $15 an hour. We have our pay now, so we just need to now display it. Oh, whoops. It's integers. I do not get the formatting part. Percentage D. That shouldn't be right. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. 7 hours, minutes, seconds. Decimal. F and E different. Oh, for decimals, I think I use. Oh, okay. For decimals, with dots, use F. Percentage F. For integers with no dots. No numbers. Percentage D. Oh, right here for the pay. Yeah, this has a dot, which means it's an F. I should have like a memorization technique. So for F, probably like a football. That's a football being kicked. Football. And then D would be like a directly here. Or here when you're dealing with footballs. No. It will have a footfall. Or the final displayed value will have a football. If it doesn't, use D, which is just direct object, direct amount. Okay. Minutes. Hours. Minutes. And seconds. Meaning your total pay is, I need to put dollars. You worked 3 hours, 36 minutes, 12 seconds, meaning your total pay is 1,800 hours. That's not right. Is it? Yo, this is seconds. So if I put a ridiculously huge amount, I need to put it in double. Okay, what's wrong with it? Oh. Yeah, just do this. Double. Try and convert it to integer. Okay, so now I can put a very high amount. Huh? Do this, and if I do this, where's the problem? Where can it not be stored in? Line 17. What is a double integer? Double data. Double data structure, data type, format. I can use percentage %f. How do I format that? I'll also use f float. Okay. Percentage. Point. 0. don't want any sort of, if I say 0 amount from the back shots, 0 amount. So I should just say the number. Oh, this worked. Oh, space, oops. No. That was a different set. Oh. I'm a retard, whoops. I did not register that. But if it says... should be correct now. Just put 0 at the back. Or 0 amounts at the back. Put a really high number like that. Let's go, I did it. Ah, man. Total seconds. Why? Wait, seconds? Seconds. Or no, this is hours. This is hours. This is minutes. This is seconds. Yeah, that's good. Oh, like 60. That's too much. That's way too many seconds. It should be up to 60. That's it. It shouldn't even say 60. It should say like 59. Now, should have very high hours. No amount of or the very stable amount of minutes and days, or minutes seconds. 14 seconds, 2 minutes, a lot of hours. I did it, nice. What if I put in days? Let's say your machine. Let's add double. I have to put in double because it's like taking in seconds, which is double. Double. Let's say days. Cool. There is no amount. Let's see if it stops at, I want to stop at 24 hours. And then for total days, I want to total seconds. I want to say divided by how many? How many seconds is 24 hours? How many seconds is 1 day? So it's apparently this. 86,400. This percentage. 86,400. So that many seconds divided by 60, right? No, divide that by... No. Just 24 hours, right? Okay, so it can't go above this. Hours can go above. Okay, total seconds, given seconds. Modulus operator, 24, 86, right? 86,000. 86,000, 86,400. So it can't go above that. Then we're talking about seconds, right? 86,400 seconds, and divide that by 60, right? How much would that be? Wait, this is not that hard. That'd be like 16 hours, blank days. So that's pretty good. So, yeah, stop at 86,400. Don't go above that. Restart. So after that, then I take total seconds. Then, how would I take the days? Yeah, probably minus divided by 24, right? No, that's 24 hours. Oh yeah, divided by 8600. 24 hours in seconds would be 86,400. Oh no, that's just a really big number. Yeah, of course it's a really big number. No, I don't want it to be a very big number. It's days. How do I reduce that? Oh, no, I don't. I don't reduce that. I don't reduce that. It's division. Okay. And then percentage. We're dealing with double, so double, keep it floating. So I wanted to put, I don't care how much is in front of it, but I care how much is in the back of it, which is 0, and you format it like that. Then you put in days. That can't be. Is that it? Where? Oh. That actually worked. If I put a very big number. Okay, that's... Okay. Hours. Everything's perfect. I needed to not... Okay, this is like the seconds, right? In 24... This is 24 hours in seconds. Here, if I do this. This is 24 hours in seconds. If I do this, 60. That's the 24 hours in minutes. And if I do 60 again... I think I can do like 60. No, I can't do that. I don't know how to do that. If I do this. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Can I do in decades? Or can I do in months? Years and the decades and centuries. And then millennia. And yeah, millennias. Okay, that's not right. You worked, what is this? I don't even know, 700,000 days and earned $100. How to calculate pay? Hours times. Oh, yeah, that's not good. I need to pay hours. Double pay hours. it'll be pretty much just total, because I'm not using, oh wait, no, I don't need to use hours. I can use days. Times 24 hours times how many? Yeah, 15. I just do 24 times 15. Now for more clarity, I'll just do days times 24, put that in hours, take that, and multiply that by the hourly rate. Now, it's not very accurate, because like if you do like 10 hours, something like that, over 2, yeah, that's not going to count. So, I need to redo that. It's only maybe like pay hours. The hours are still counted. Okay, data type double. Whatever. So the hours are still counted, right? So if I put in total, it's not going to be displayed. It's going to use a calculation for it. Total seconds. And then I don't stop at any point. I just do divided by 3,600. I just want the hours. That's it. Boom. And then I take pay hours times 15. Whoop. I don't stop at any point. So I should just take pay hours here. This is, I'm just taking the sheer hours, the quantity of hours I just worked that you gave. Let's say 50,000 or something. I don't know how many seconds that is. So that's yeah, let's do 5,000. To 1 hour. It's 1 hour 23 minutes. Let's try again. Okay. Gedit, where are you? Whatever. Displaying double data types. Put as F, right? Do you put F? Percentage F. How much is it front? How much is it back? Displaying integers, int data, use percentage D. Which means decimal. That's actually in. Okay, so Okay, that's done. I think I pretty much understand it all. You know, the kind of annoying part is that I don't know how if I can start any other line except without the data type and print line. I'm going off Big Java, and the book is I'm just going up to part 3, and it says like void method, and not void method, but like input or something like that, input types or something. And yeah, I do not want to get lost at the beginning stages. So yeah, I'm gonna practice as much as possible on each and every chapter. I think the fourth one, the next one after this is going to be on like math operations, which I'm probably gonna skip. I can just look that up, not a big deal. I'm gonna go to chapter 5, which is like if statements and stuff, I think, right? But yeah, I think chapter 3, this was chapter 3, is like scanners and stuff like that, and formatting. Chapter 2 is like on modulus operators and you know, stuff like that, and displaying. And like math and stuff like that. Or no, sorry, it's on data types and just like the basics and stuff like that, and variables, initializing variables, declaring them, and manipulating them. So right now, yeah, what time is it? 9:22. You've been coding for quite a while. Yeah, this is super productive. It's really awesome. Double F. Double is really fucking big. I'm out. Or no. Double the amount. So double the amount you could usually put in, which is a 64-bit integer. Now the 32-bit, which is integer. The OG integer. Okay. I think for now we're pretty good to end it. Alright, so that's pretty much it. No one showed up, so that's fine. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me. I guess bye. I'm tired.